Emily, you asked Jim off camera about our last big storm, and I think both of us replied 2009 of this magnitude.
Yeah, well, we're talking the last time we actually experienced blizzard conditions, because that's potentially what we're looking at. Let's show you the last four events. Most recent was in 2013. That was March 10th. We had 8 to 10 inches of snow. December 19th in 2012. We also had 8 to 10 inches of snow. And then as we head into the 2009, that was 12 inches. And in December of 20, remember that one, Craig? December 25th?
Oh, yeah, back-to-back blizzards. And in fact, in December, during Christmas of December 2009, the snow started about 3 o'clock on Christmas Eve. It then continued into Christmas. All sorts of church services were canceled. And then the 2 days that follow was the big dig out from that. So really, the city was paralyzed for a grand total of about 4 days and 4 nights.
Wow, right, and these are the last occasions where blizzard criteria were met. We'll probably see blizzard criteria as we head toward Tuesday if the model forecasts are correct. Let's go ahead then and take you through and show you what's going to be happening here over the next several days. And start with radar, and it right now is clear, but that is forecast to change as we head into Sunday with the possibility of some light rain or some wet snow. And then as we head toward Monday, especially toward Monday evening, that is when the snow begins. It's been a beautiful afternoon, beautiful sunset as well. Temperatures, at least on the hour, were as warm as 50 degrees. Winds are out of the west currently at 17 miles an hour. Look at Falls City, 57 degrees. Everyone else in the 40s, 51 currently in Lincoln. If we take a wider perspective in terms of satellite and radar, some high clouds here, even a hint of a few sprinkles up in eastern South Dakota, but that's it in terms of any significant precipitation right now. This is the way the maps are looking as we head into Tuesday, and especially Tuesday night and into Wednesday with the actual track of that storm as we head into Groundhog Day. The snow area still pegged to affect the area from especially Omaha on toward the south and east. Winds 40 to 50 miles an hour, and with those kind of winds, we'll probably be producing blizzard conditions. Now, this is the latest U.S. model. This has just come in. You're not seeing things. It's forecasting 19 inches of snow for Plattsmouth, 18 for Nebraska City. This looks overdone, but it's indicating that we're dealing with a very strong storm, and it's even giving us 16. We think that's on the high side. However, it's saying, hey, look, watch out as we head toward Groundhog Day. European model isn't quite as aggressive, but it is forecasting about 9 inches here and close to a foot in Lincoln and also down toward Beatrice. The forecast, we've adjusted ours slightly. We took the 8-inch line, made it a little bit more east-west here, actually brought it north for you folks out around York. I think you're looking at 8 or more, probably a foot or more from Atlantic to just south of the metro down toward Beatrice. Now, if there's any adjustment to this as we head closer to the event, this 12 line would likely be brought north to include the I-80 corridor, possibly York, Lincoln, Omaha, over toward Atlantic. And that's something we'll keep you posted on, not only tonight, but as we head through the upcoming weekend. This 12-plus line, if it goes anywhere, is going to be moving maybe a county or so to the north, and that's something that we'll let you know. As far as the winds go, these are winds at 5,000 feet. They're forecast to be about 55 miles an hour. Now, the gusts won't be quite that high, but some of this wind is going to mix down as we head into the afternoon hours on Tuesday, and especially Tuesday evening. Winds around 48 miles an hour up to 56 at 5,000 feet, and then those do tend to diminish overnight as we go through the overnight hours Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Forecast for tonight, partly cloudy, 29 will be the low. A beautiful day tomorrow with a high of 52. And then over the next 3 days, we're looking at some sprinkles, possibly mixed with wet snow on Sunday. And then as we approach Groundhog Day, the snow moves in around midnight, Monday night. According to the models, we have 3 inches on the ground, 2 to 3 by Tuesday morning, and then it starts snowing at almost 2 inches an hour with thunder. Now, with all of this in mind, don't forget,